Okay, how's everybody doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal Age Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. I may not be on for a couple of days because right now I'm actually tied in with a bunch of contracts for the nanotechnology and for the TI-47, the Ultra 4K. These are particular screen paints now that become of interest with other companies, demonstrations that we did, and test facilities with the technology, and also to me sending out paint to these particular companies under NDA for testing our technology out. And actually we got quite a few offers for license agreement contracts. Alright, now, sorry about that, got a little stutter there. Now I gotta bring up to date here, the nanotechnology is launching on the 16th. We do have a wallpaper kit. People have been asking about the wallpaper kit. It does come with a free sheet of 4x8 thin and flexible plexiglass. What you're seeing right here is very flexible. You can also curve your screen if you decide you want to curve it. It does come with a 3 free color option, whether you want it in black, whether you want it in the platinum slate or the silver. We also do have it in a screen paint form, which is actually has to be sprayed on. They do come with Wagner paint sprayers. Let me recap real quick. So the wallpaper screen kit, which you're seeing right here, will come with a 3 color option. It will also come with a Wagner paint sprayer and a 4x8 thin flexible plexiglass to design your own wallpaper screen. As for the screen paint version of it, as in the spray-on version without the wallpaper kit, that will be available very soon. We also do have 1 gallons available on launch date, which will be the 16th. I'm going to add real quick, it will come with a Wagner 150 paint sprayer because this stuff has to be sprayed on. You cannot roll this on. Trust me, you do not want to roll the screen. Alright, see if I'm missing anything here. Also too, I wanted to update really quick that the screen paint version, the spray-on version, not the wallpaper version, the screen paint version is completely sold out. It's done. We have pre-orders on the website right now. We can actually pre-order the Nano before the launch date, but the black is it's actually sold out. It's gone. All right. So with that being said, I got everybody up to date on what's going on. Let's do a demonstration of the Nano Black. This is the wallpaper screen right here. So this is what I have right here. People think this is painted on the wall, but no, that's the actual. Let me move the screen up a little bit. I think I can move. There you go. That's the actual screen right there. That's how thin it is. Very thin. This is the wallpaper screen, and that'll come with that surface to allow you to be able to do that. Alright, so let's remove this and let's begin to show you exactly how amazing the screen is. Now keep in mind, we can do this in a fully lit environment. These screens are using Smart Technology Gain times 10. Grab another one. Oh yeah, the screens have amazing white level capability also. Thought I'd just sneak this in here real quick. For anyone who was curious to see what the white levels were on the Black Nano, or Nano Black. Also incredible color capability. This is probably the screen paint version of this. Actually, the spray-on screen paint version of it sold out. Look how much light's hitting the screen. Keep in mind my projector sits back around 13 feet from the screen. You do this in a full environment and the screen will look fantastic.
Alright, I'm Kenneth Burr from Crystal Edge Technology Screens using smart technology. Gain, this is our Eclipse Nano, or actually Black Nano, Nano Black. Keep getting that mixed up. 4K and 3D ready spray on screen paint. This is our wallpaper kit, a wallpaper screen kit. Play a little bit more. Just real quick, sorry about that, keep in mind, this is a wallpaper kit. It's going to come with a sheet of plexiglass that's 4x8, a Wagner paint sprayer, and 3 color options. And this is what the Nano Black can do. So this is the Nano Black at 100% complete. I forgot to add that in there. I finished it last night.